see the majors. Let's check out the majors, see what happens on the major. We're going to start with the Australian dollar, US dollar, and we dive into the 1 hour chart. Okay, so obviously when you see that the US dollar index crashes, right? If it crashes, it means across the board expect that the opposing currency is being bought and the US dollar is being sold. So in this case, the base currency, which is the Australian dollar, is gaining against the US dollar. So I expect to see similar things where the base currency is the opposite, is the other one, and then situations where the US dollar is the base, I expect to see selling. So this is just for the Australian dollar, US dollar. For the euro US dollar, that is some sudden rise. I mean, this gives room for more uprise. People who should be looking are looking at this zone right now, still looking at this supply zone. This is a good supply zone, but it has been mitigated, and price is beginning to see things like we may see price actually break above and retest and break above even further, and depends on the US economy and the situation in euro. We go back to the British pound US dollar. We're having similar scenario, very similar scenario. This level looks like something that price may still do the same thing with, break above. This is what it's looking like it's gonna be happening pretty soon. But like I said, you are not just because the chart is printing it means you just dive in. You need to wait for the news. Economic data are still coming out every day. Economic data is coming out every day, and as more data comes out, you might be surprised inflation might just crash all of a sudden in the US, and well, the whole thing is going to just go the opposite direction again.